My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called torpedo pot. Well, all you do is take your plants and your seeds, put them in the planter, and let them grow your food for you. And in turn, what you end up with, like we have here, are 15,000 peapods. Most of you, almost all of you, probably have never seen a food grown successfully before in your life. So I'm eating the most wholesome, nutritious, fresh food on this block. Perfect to shape, size, texture, feel, taste. Well, it's hard for people to understand and fathom that we can do something like that. I'm going to create a wall of food here. And let me see if we can build it so high that I can disappear. Not one blemish on any one of these plants. The pods is just perfect. Family of four, just a standard average family, spend about $24,000 a year on food. Take that money, invest it in torpedo pots that will feed you for the rest of your life. The whole goal behind the torpedo pot, creating the torpedo pot, was to allow you and your family to experience the wealth there is and the beauty that there is in growing food. That means that we create an environment that's sustainable for the plant inside of our planters. So it guarantees your plant survival. I don't know where to store 15,000 peapods, but I think one of my writers told me if I just continue to talk, they'll disappear in this big pile. Or somehow I'll disappear in this big pile. So let's see if that's true.